And now, the hits and misses of Man vs. Wild.
Sorry, buddy.
Moose infestations.
He's big.
No, he's big.
Hey!
Oh my God! Did we get a hand or what? Oh, shallow.
Oh, shallow there. He can get out. There he's getting out. Oh, he's going back the way he came in.
Sweet. It's my favorite band. Oh, but you know what's missing? A horn section. This fisherman's been waiting for a bite all afternoon.
Oh, he should.
Next time, Mr. Whiskers stays in the truck. Aw, geez. Been out here 6 hours and haven't got a bite, don't you know? Oh, what's that? Yeah, you betcha. Look at that nice walleye there. Can't wait to fry that up with some bratwurst. Ah, for the love of Pete. Darn hook! I'll have to go get my pliers. Oh, no. No. Gosh darn it! Excuse my language. The heck with this. I'm going to Dairy Queen. Ah, you betcha.
Ever heard the phrase to bear witness? It helps if you actually witness the bear on your porch.
Be friendly.